Very good morning, all the students of 6th standard, and here we are learning the third lesson of our civics, rural developments or rural local government bodies. This one we are learning in this lessons. Page number 67 is going, and on the page number 67, the function of the Panchayat Samiti. This one point is going on. The functions of the Panchayat Samiti. The Panchayat Samiti prepared a plan of the schemes to be implemented in the development blocks. So it's the responsibility or the work of Panchayat Samitis to be prepare the plans of their regions or into their area for the development block. They have to prepare the plan, and along with the preparations of the plan, they have to implement that plan. Not only preparation is sufficient, along with the preparations we need to be implement in a proper way. How we implement it, it is important. For example, we prepare a plan, we prepare a chart here, for example study timetable we prepare here, but along with the study timetable, it is important for us that how we implement that study timetable, how we study according to the timetables. Do we study or not? It is also important. So study is also important. So Panchayat Samiti, it's prepare the plan for their regions and implement. It is binding on the Panchayat Samiti to hold at least one meeting every month, and it is binding for the Panchayat Samiti. It is important for the Panchayat Samiti, or it is compulsory for the Panchayat Samiti that at least in a month they have to hold at one meeting. At least in a month they have to hold that. Once in a month they have to conduct. They have to arrange the meeting. It is compulsory for the Panchayat Samiti to hold to organize the meetings. Next point, the Panchayat Samiti receives a certain amount of money from the district fund. Panchayat Samiti, this Panchayat Samiti receives some certain amount of money from the district fund, from the Zilla Parishad, and some certain amount of money they receive from the state governments to carry out their functions there. The development schemes of the development regions of the blocks there, so they receive the money or the grantations fund from the Panchayat Zilla Parishad, and along with the Zilla Parishad they receive some amount of money from the state government. Next point, that is the Zilla Parishad, point number 3.3. Now what is Zilla Parishad here? Every district has a Zilla Parishad at present time. In Maharashtra, each and every district has a Zilla Parishad in a present time there. In our Maharashtra, in present, if we see the present time, 36 districts are there. Total in our Maharashtra, 36 districts are there in a present time. Our statement is there, each every district has a Zilla Parishad. So 36 district mean 36 Zilla Parishads? No, because Mumbai and the Mumbai suburban, there is exceptions for it. 36 districts are there, but out of 36 district, in the 34 districts only Zilla Parishad is there in the Maharashtra. In our Maharashtra, in 34 districts only Zilla Parishad is there. The reason is that Mumbai city district and the Mumbai suburban district do not have the rural populations. Mumbai city and the Mumbai suburban area, these two districts area, they do not have the rural populations in our country. In the Maharashtra. Mumbai city and the Mumbai suburban, these two districts, they do not have the rural populations. So only in these two districts there is a Zilla Parishad is not there. Therefore they do not have the Zilla Parishad. So 36 districts are there. Out of 36 districts, in 34 districts only Zilla Parishad is there. Two districts are exceptions for it. They are Mumbai city and Mumbai suburban area there, because the reason is given here, in these two districts rural population is not there. So these two districts, they have the exceptions. The next point, the office bearers of the Zilla Parishad. Office bearers of Zilla Parishad. Elections to the Zilla Parishads are held every 5 years. As we know that elections of the Zilla Parishads are also held after each and every 5 years. So elections are held of Zilla Parishads, after each and every 5 years, the elected representatives choose a president and the vice president among themselves. Those who are our elected representatives, elected members are there, to whom we appoint, to whom we give our vote. So such elected representatives, they choose among them two persons as a president and vice president. Two persons they choose, they nominate among themselves, they elect among themselves as the president or as the vice president of Zilla Parishad. So if the president is absent, then vice president will look after the work. So two persons they choose or they nominate on the post of the president and the vice president of Zilla Parishad. The president of Zilla Parishad preside over the meeting of the Zilla Parishad. So as we know that one who is a president, that president he preside the meetings of the Zilla Parishad. Chairperson, he is the chairperson of all the meetings. He conduct the meeting, he arrange the meeting, he call the meetings, and he has the power or the rights to take the decisions there. So president he call the meeting and he preside the meetings of the Zilla Parishad there. In absence of the president, what is there? Vice president he will be there. He look after the administration or the work, or he carried out the task or the work. Whatever the task or work was carried by president, the same type of task or work is carried by vice president in absence of president there. So here he exercise control over business. President of the Zilla Parishad exercise the control over on the business of the Zilla Parishad there. What is the business of the Zilla Parishad is there? He exercise the control on the business of the Zilla Parishad there. Along with that, conduct the meetings during the, and also he conduct the meetings also there of the Zilla Parishad. He also control the financial transaction of the Zilla Parishad. Along with that, what is the financial transaction is there? Money, expenditures and the profit income. On that also Zilla Parishad, the president he control, he supervise, he look after that. What are the money they receive, they get, benefit they get. So on the financial transaction also he control or he supervise this. Who? President of the Zilla Parishad. The next point paragraph that he has the authority to undertake appropriate expenditures. President of the Zilla Parishad president, he has right there, he has the powers, he has the authority to take the decisions, appropriate expenditures from the Zilla Parishad's fund there. What is the Zilla Parishad fund is there? For example, 100 rupees fund is there. Out of the 100 rupees, how many rupees we have to spend in which department? That all the rights president he has there. The vice president carries out these duties in absence of the president, and if the president is absent, in absence of the president, vice president he carries out the same duty of the task in absence of the president. So the next point here, after that, do you know how does Zilla Parishad function? That functions, how it functions. Before the functions of the Zilla Parishad, one upside the Panchayat Samitis only point is there. The functions of the Panchayat Samitis same as it is the function of the Gram Panchayat there. Road, gutters, wells, bore wells, they have to look after in the city, in their area. The vaccinations for the health department is there. For the needs of the public, what do we need that? What the public needed there from the government, from the administrative division there. Roads, gutters or the wells, bore wells should be there in the region or the area. After that, in the health sector, if you see that vaccination should be there in that region or the area there. Water supply, if you see that providing clean drinking water supply, government, administrative department or the region, they should be provide them the portable clean drinking water. Public hygiene, cleanliness is also important there. So in the public hygiene, if you see that cleanliness of the roads, disposal of the waste materials, all the roads should be clean there proper, and along with the cleanliness of the road, disposal of the waste material is also important. What are the waste materials are there? We should be dispose them in a proper way on proper time to time. So disposal of the waste material is also one of the important factors or the work of the departments of Panchayat Samiti or even of Gram Panchayat or Jilla Parishad. Agriculture, they're helping the farmers, improving the agricultures and the livestock, that agriculture productions to be increased there, to help them into the agriculture productions and to increase, to provide the funds that they implement tools from the government there. In education sector, the primary education is a free and compulsory. For that they will come, they inspect, they provide the fund, donate them. Industries, promotions of the handcraft and the cottage industries, they're providing the financial aids to the weaker section of the society. It is into the people's welfare department, it will be there. So these, in this way, different tasks, the functions they carry to the functions of the Jilla Parishad here. The work of the Jilla Parishad is carried out through the different committees. Now how does the Jilla Parishad functions? Different committees are there of Jilla Parishad. They work through the different committee there. Finance committee is there, agriculture committee is there. Finance committee look after the financial matter there, for example benefits and the expenditures. Agriculture committee is there, look after the agricultural work there. Education committee is also there. Health committee there. Water management and the sanitations, water management sanitations committee there. Women's and the child welfare takes up the issues related to the problems faced by the women and the children. So in this way, these are the different committees are there, departments are there in the Jilla Parishad. They look after that through their department. So when you will come tomorrow, then tomorrow will come with the chief executive officers of the Jilla Parishad. So till that time, you read out these lessons, prepare it. Okay, I hope you got it. You have to study, try to understand the lessons there. Try once you understand the functions of the Gram Panchayat, it will be nearby same of the Panchayat Samiti and the Jilla Parishad or the even state governments also there. So we have to be understand. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.